So as of now, we have learned how to create objects, how to create apps, objects, fields, relationships, right? So, and now we are going to get into another step. So I have one doubt here. So can you please anyone clarify me? We have objects, right?
Yes.
We have objects, and if you want to create records, what we have to do? We have to click on it, and we have to enter the fields. Then we can create the records, right?
Are you
So
sure you want to explain it?
project name
Yeah.
we can give project called as okay. There is a project name and start date will be okay. End date 1 year. Priority low. Status in progress. I saved. So I gave one more record. I created one more record. So same way here for student also I'm going to create another one. So I have created another one. But now my doubt is here. How long we can manually we can create the records? Are you getting my point? So in
No.
case in student object, if we have
Mhm.
1,000 students data, so how many? Do we need to enter 1,000 times every record?
I guess there should be something like we can upload all the records.
Yes, exactly. So, sorry to ask
Data
you,
loader?
Pranjali, why I'm asking, you already done this education as well. So you might
Yeah.
have know this information. So that is the reason I'm asking. So,
Yeah.
so here we can do automated process. So any idea
Right.
how can we do that?
Data loader?
Exactly. Okay. So that in data loader, what are the things we can discuss in data loader?
That I'm not sure.
Yeah, okay. So before jumping into the data loader concept, we have one more topic called as data import wizard. Okay, so coming to automation process, not only workflow rules, process builder flows, we'll go with one small topic called as data import wizard, where we can upload the records up to 50,000.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
so now will you please guide me how can I create object? Okay, so before that, let me have one small story about data import wizard. So as you said, we have many tools to upload the data. There are two ways. One is a technical tool and non-technical tool. So coming to technical tool, we'll discuss technical tool in development part, but a data import wizard it will comes under non-technical tool. Okay, by using non-technical tool we can see how we can upload the data. So just have some background about the data import wizard. When any new project we are going to start in Salesforce, we have learned the steps of initial phase in demo classes like how to create apps, objects, etc. But to play with data, bring data from old system of customer to new Salesforce system. To new Salesforce system, we have to note one important thing. These are the things. In many projects, customers or business users are also giving contribution, and They expect you to help them in features which are suitable for a non-technical person like them. So if any techie is there in the organization, they can upload the data very easily. So if there is no techie, they'll be depends on non-technical tools like data import wizard. So now our what we are going to do is we can create one object and we can create a few fields. Okay. So now your wish. So which kind of data we can create? Your wish.
A student record only.
Okay, in student record, what are the objects are there? Only, sorry,
Name and
yes, name, marks,
name,
subject,
subject,
and
marks, and
teachers.
teacher.
Yes. Okay. So
Hmm.
we'll do this one. But if you want to upload this data, what we have to do, what we need to get the what we have to do is we need to have one data separately in Excel sheet. Excel sheet in the sense a
Right.
CSV format. Okay.
Yeah.
So better I can show it in some other way. Okay. Now I'm taking one object called as pulsar bike. So if I click on pulsar bike, I can get customer name, bike model, price, delivery location. Okay.
Yes. Hmm.
So now I'll be getting the data from some other team. For example, we are working one project and we are working on same project. There are two technologies. One is for Salesforce and another one is another platform like take Java or .NET, etc. So to upload, we need some data from Java guys, I mean from some other technology, and same data we need to use for our Salesforce domain as well. So that time we'll be getting the data from these people. Okay. So data should be like this. See. So in this file, we have customer name, bike model, rate. Is that okay?
Yeah.
But here we have another field as well. In case if we upload this data, one field will be empty.
Right.
So before uploading the data, we need to check everything. Okay, for example, see here, this is another data.
Hmm.
Okay, so here uh, we have 50 people names. Okay, and we can add if we get same data, that will be well and good. In case if we have more fields like dealer name, booking date, delivery date, etc., etc. Okay, if we have more fields, we need not worry about that. Whichever data we require to store in fields, those information only we will take it. Okay. So now we are making this file as ready. I'm making this as, I'll save this data as pulsar 4, and we need to save this file should be in CSV format. It should not be in Excel format. It should be in CSV
Right.
format. Then only it will be uploaded. So I'm just clicking on save. Now we can see how data import wizard will work. So we have object and we have fields. Now we have Excel sheet as well. And now we are going to start how to do the data import wizard process. Okay. So for that, what we have to do, just click on setup again, and here come to quick find bar and click on data import wizard. Yes, click on it. Once you click on it, we'll be getting one form like this. Okay. So here, don't touch anything. So just click on launch wizard. That's it. We'll be getting one page like this. And here we can see what is the drawback of Salesforce. Sorry, data import wizard in Salesforce. So here, what are the things you can find in this page?
Standard and custom objects,
Very good. Next,
accounts, contacts, leads, solution, and campaign. So we have to create a custom object.
okay, give me a minute. So here, what do you know about custom object and standard object?
Standard object is what the basically standard thing which is provided by Salesforce, and custom you can customize as per your requirement.
Okay, so if I click on Sales Cloud, whichever we are getting it, all these
Yeah,
things will
those
be
are
called as
standard.
standard object.
Right.
Okay, but coming to data import wizard, this data import wizard will be work on only five standard object: accounts,
Hmm.
contacts, leads, solutions, campaign members. So if you go to here, see, campaigns, leads, accounts, contacts, and another one, solutions. Here solutions you can find. Got it?
Yes.
So data import wizard will be working on only five standard object. Sometimes you may get into a question like, can we upload the data in opportunity object through data import wizard, they'll ask. If you said
No.
yes, that's it. Then they can find you don't have any knowledge about data import wizard.
Got it.
Okay, so coming to data import wizard, it will be work on only five standard objects, and coming to custom object, it will work on all the custom objects. See, if you click on
Right.
custom object, you can find all custom objects whichever we have. Okay,
Okay.
so now on which object we are going to store the data?
Pulsar bike.
Yes, in Pulsar bike
Pulsar bike.
object, we are going to store the data. So here, click on custom object and just search where is pulsar object. Yes, here it is. So just click on it. Yes, once you click on the object, see here, choose data, it's completed.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
so once you done, just go to next page. Here they're asking add new records or update and existing records, and another one add new and update existing records. So add new records in the sense, what is mean by add new records?
So entirely new records,
Yes, completely
like
new records. Okay.
completely new.
And update and existing records in the sense,
Means if there is any changes in existing records, you can update
yes, we
those.
can update. and
Yeah.
add new and update existing record, in the sense, for example, there are 50 records already, okay,
Hmm.
and we have
Hmm.
100 records in CSV format, okay.
Hmm.
In CSV format, out of 100, 50 files we 50 records we have already is there, which are updated in Salesforce. So that
Hmm.
time,
Hmm.
if you click on add new and update existing record, totally only 100 will be there in object
Got it.
once you uploaded the data.
Hmm. Hmm.
If you click on add new records, 50 records will be there, and again this 100 will be added. Got it?
Yeah.
If you go to update existing records, out of 100, only 50 records will be updated, which are there, which are already there in Salesforce. So now I'm going to clicking on add new and update existing records. Okay. So I'm going
Yeah.
to match by name. Salesforce.com ID it is asking. Salesforce.com ID, in the sense where it can find, any idea?
In your
See here you can find.
this is your Manu 123 RAM is
No, 1 minute. So just go to student object. So here if you click on any record, so where we can get record ID,
that's uh here
this will be,
salesforce.com
no,
slash
is
AAZ.
this will be the record ID. Okay.
Right.
So
Yeah.
this is for your information. So I'm going to match by name and trigger workflow rules and processes. Here we are not working on triggers. Triggers, workflow rules will be there in admin part. Trigger, it will comes in development part. So as of now, I'm not clicking on it. Else I'm just adding new records. New record also it will come same. So just clicking on name, and now going to this file. So drag CSV files here to upload. So just click on CSV file here. Once you click on, it is asking choose file. Choose file, in the sense nothing but location of our system path where we have saved that particular record. I mean file. So I have shared here pulsar 4 and clicking on open. Yes, now it's done. And clicking on next. See here, customer name it's completed, bike model it's completed. This is not mapping it. Any idea why it is not mapping it? So once again I'll show here. In Pulsar bike we have these records: customer name, bike model, price, delivery location. Okay, and this is
So
why this is not mapped.
because it has mentioned rate instead of price.
Exactly. So instead of price here, instead of price,
Uh-huh.
it is mapping with the rate. So we while we are clicking on that particular information, we said it has to map with the name, right?
Right.
So that is the
Right.
reason here it is showing price, but here it's showing rate. That is the reason it is not getting mapped. So that time what we can do is just click on map, and this map, to which field it has to be mapped, with price,
Price.
and just click on it and just click on map. That's it. See here, almost done. It's showing edit mapping. Got it? Now just click on next. See here, our selections are pulsar bike object, and we have added new records, and we have taken CSV format file. Done. And mapped fields 4, unmapped files 0. Got it?
Yes.
So now I'm going to click on start import. It's getting started. So once it is done, we can see here, see, status completed, records processed 49, 6 records got failed, and progress is 100%. Total processing time 8 13 minutes, sorry, not minutes, meters. And here we can see where it got failed. Status closed. Okay, so now out of 49, 6 records got failed. We can see how it got failed. So click on view result, or you can go with a view request. Okay, now it got downloaded. Go to show in folder, just open it. These values not yet processed because there are duplicate files. Got it?
Got it.
Now we can see in our file duplicates are there or not. So go to
Mm-hmm.
Pulsar 4, and here what is the 25th ID, right? So 25th name is Virat Kohli. Okay, and same name displayed here on 48. 48 is Virat Kohli. Got it?
Yes.
And same way here Dinesh Karthik, and here you can see Dinesh Karthik name 28, and 33 Karan Sharma, 33 Karan Sharma, same Karan Sharma also coming here. Got it? There are duplicates. That means duplicate values data import wizard won't allow. Okay.
Yes.
So now it's uploaded. It's done. Now I'm going to Pulsar Byte here and just click on go here. All these 47 files we have uploaded. While we are seeing here, there are 50 records, but here we have uploaded only 47. Why? There are duplicate files. Got it?
Yes.
So that is the reason only 47 is showing. See here you can see. And you may got one doubt, while you are clicking on Pulsar Bike, you won't get all the records
Yeah, why that's so?
because we are not creating manually. So that time just click on go. Then you'll be getting all the files.
Mm-hmm.
So
Say record.
don't click on new. If you click on new, you should enter manually. Not only in this particular field, it will be applicable in all the objects. Got it? If you click on go, you'll be getting all the files. Here we have only two, and same employees also.
Okay.
See here, column is getting increased here. Got it? So this is
Yeah.
how we can use data import wizard. So coming to data import wizard again. So can we work on standard object with data loader? Sorry, data import wizard.
Standard object, you mean to say?
Yes,
Hello.
yes,
Yes, we can do that.
yeah, we can do
Mm-hmm.
it, but we can do it only for 5 standard object, not for all the
Yes, right.
objects. Okay,
Yeah.
uh,
Yeah.
you may get a questionnaire from interviewer that what are the standard objects where we can upload the records through data import wizard. They may ask. So that time you should remember these 5 standard objects. They are account, contact, leads, solutions, and campaign members. And where can we find this? I'll show you once again. Data import wizard. Click on it. See here also we can get the information here. So click on launch wizard. Here you can find information: account, contact, leads, solutions, campaign members. And drawback of data import wizard are we can upload only 50,000 records through this file and supports only 5 standard objects, and we can only upload CSV file supported and cannot delete and export the records. Once we have uploaded the records in the particular object, we don't have option to delete it through this record through data import wizard.
I didn't get you, sir. Like,
One
if
minute.
I want to delete one record, I cannot delete.
No, no, 1 minute. See here, I can delete it. Out of
Okay, I can.
146 it's coming. What I'm saying is, while
Uh-huh.
uploading the data, while we are
Uh-huh.
uploading the data, we just upload the data. We can't delete through data import wizard.
Got it, got
Just
it. Okay.
before we starting the session, you said we can upload data through data loader, right?
Right, right,
But
right.
through data loader, we can
We cannot,
upset. Yes, we can upset. We can insert. We can update. We can
but we cannot delete.
yes. But here we can't delete it.
Yeah.
Okay. Normally, if you want to delete manually, you can delete it. See, just click on it
Okay.
and you can
And
delete.
if I want to download the file, then
Which one through data import wizard or
no, how to download?
how to
If I want to
download in the sense I'm not getting it exactly.
see now the Pulsar bike, okay, record. I want to download that file in my laptop. How to download that?
That particular file.
Am I?
Okay, okay, 1 minute,
Yeah.
1 minute. One minute. Not this one, 1 minute. One just I'll show you once again. Once data completed, we have seen one file, right? It's completed. There we can see view result and view request. So if you click on view request, then that file will get download. Just give me a minute. I'll show it once again. View request.
Okay.
See here.
Mhm.
There we can get it.
Can you show me again how?
Once data
Hmm.
completed through data loader, we'll be getting this page. Bulk data load job.
Okay. Okay. How
Okay.
to go to this page?
Once data completed through data loader, it will come. So I'll show it once again here. Just click on this. See here. Today we have done twice.
Bulk data loader.
We
Okay,
have
got it.
done twice. So here you
Hmm.
can get two times whichever we have done. So if you click on any one of these, you'll be getting that file.
Hmm.
If you
Hmm.
want to
Hmm.
know two things, you can download two times again.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So these are we can do it through data loader. Sorry, I'm sorry, through data import wizard. So you may get one doubt here. While we have data loader, why should we go to data import wizard?
Yes.
Any idea? So in data import wizard, only if we have less records, if we have less
Hmm.
record, we can go with data import wizard. Up to 50,000, if we have up to 50,000 data, we can go with data
Hmm.
import wizard. But coming to
Hmm.
data loader, we can upload or we can insert, we can delete, we can update any data up to 5 lakhs data in data loader.
Okay, it's 5 lakhs.
Yes, 5 lakhs
That's
data we can do it through data loader, but there we can do it for many. We can make it through trigger also. We can do it through data loader. So while we are
hmm.
doing data import wizard, you may have seen trigger workflow rule one option will be there. While you are doing it, please check that one. One second, I'll show it once again here. 1 minute. So here, once you click on any object, see here, trigger workflow rules are processed. Have you seen this option?
Yeah.
Same way through triggers also we can do it. We can upload the data. We can upload the records by using data loader. While we are making triggers also, we can use the data loader. But that data import wizard it will be tough. We can I'll show it to you when workflow rules. We are discussing about workflow rules.
Okay.
Okay. So coming to data loader again, we cannot delete, we cannot export. Actually, export in the sense we cannot download directly that particular data. We can download from bulk API jobs. From there only we can download directly. In data import wizard we can't download.
Okay.
Got it?
Hmm.
So advantage of data import wizard compared with data loader, it's very simple to use and duplicates can be avoided. Just now we have seen there are three records. Out of 50 records, only 47 uploaded because the records already there in report. It was duplicates. So duplicates records it won't be allowed. But coming to data loader, duplicates will be allowed. This is the advantage of data import visa.
Yeah. Okay.
So any doubts as of now?
No.
Okay. So do one thing. You can create one object, call it as university or college something, and fields you can create. You can create like student roll number, student roll number, student name, and instead of lecturer name you can go with subject, marks percentage, and country. Yes, that's enough. And now you can use data import wizard. Take one CSV file. In that, make it at least 50 names by using this information in Excel sheet, and save that file in CSV format. Then you can see what is the result of data input wizard. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So now coming to our admin part, we'll start doing with security modules. Okay. So security modules, in the sense, what are things you can observe? Can I have a brief introduction about security? What do you know about security? In Salesforce, I'm asking. Whatever you know, the knowledge you can explain. So, what is the necessity to have security in Salesforce? To secure the data from the client, from others,
Yes.
to secure
Yes.
the data for the client requirement, and
Yeah.
to secure the data
Secure
from
the
some other
hardware.
department.
Yeah.
There are a lot of scenarios, right? So, according to you, I'll give you one example. And now, while you are joining any organization as a new employee, you'll be getting credentials, right?
Yes.
Okay. Once you'll be getting credentials, what you can do?
We can change the password.
Yes, exactly. Why do you need to change the password?
That should be unique and for the security purpose, so nobody
Yes,
can log in.
yes. Because it should be unique, and it should be confidential. It should be. It should not share to others, right?
Yes.
While we are coming to individually, we are securing our password to hide our personal information or our data from others, etc., etc. So same way, while coming to any organization, we'll be having different types of security modules to secure the data for the client requirement, or to secure data from others, etc., etc. Okay, so I'll just give background scenarios of security modules. There are some areas in our Salesforce where if you do any mistake, then it will be adjusted, like creating app, creating object, creating fields, etc., etc. So in case if you do any mistake while you're creating object, will it be impact on the organization?
If we are not live, like if we are in development, then no.
Okay, so I'm just asking about only object. So while we're creating object, if we facing any issue, will not be impact on Salesforce, right? I mean, it will not be impact on any organization. Same way, while
No.
creating app also, it will be happen. So I'm saying about minor mistakes. Okay,
Okay, no.
in case, instead of uploading one data in object, you have uploaded another data. Will it be impact or not?
Yes.
Example, instead of uploading Pulsar 4 file, if you upload Pulsar 1, then that will be impact, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So same like, if we don't have good knowledge in this present current topic, which we are going to learn hereafter, then interview will not even call for next round of interview. Got it? So that
Okay.
is the importance of security levels. So while I think 3 days back, I asked you one question: what is the difference between profile and role? Right?
Yeah.
Hope you have
Yes.
remember. So we can secure the data in profile level. We can secure the data in roles level as well. We have different categories to secure the data while coming to security modules.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So prerequisite in your org for security task. So now your exact work will start. So just create one app and any object and create some fields. So just now I said, right, I'll send this mail content. So create one arg as per your wish and create one object name called as college, and fields also you can create.
Yeah.
And now we'll set up the security. We'll set up security in the sense, now we can decide to whom this particular object has to show it. Okay. So for example, now we have created one object, pulsar bike, right?
Mm-hmm.
Coming to the organization, we have many departments in the organization. There are marketing team, there are sales team, there is a operations team, there is a HR team, etc., etc. So for HR team, they can have the access of employees list to process the
Right.
salaries, to process the joining letter, or to do the compensation or something. So they need to have employee access for employees object, but they need not to have access for a pulsar bike, right? So because
Right.
this is operational object where we need to where we are working on daily basis, right? So that time we need not to give access for HR team. So we will have to decide that one to whom we have to share. That's what we said here.
Okay.
Now we will set up security. Security in the sense, every object will come.
Okay.
What types of the security the companies will expect from us as a Salesforce admin and development? We'll be having two things. One is external security, one is internal security. So what does it mean by external security? Any idea?
External means department to department, as you mentioned, like HR data cannot view by
Okay,
other department.
okay.
That's
Oh,
the external
okay.
one.
If it is internal security,
Oh, sorry, that's a internal. Sorry, that's a internal.
okay,
External means like data cannot be viewed by uh
okay.
no.
Now I'll give you one scenario.
Customer.
Okay, just think you are getting this scenario from your interviewer. Okay, one of my client is he is traveling to abroad. Okay, and now he connected. He has logged in Salesforce through VPN. Okay, and
Okay.
he's unable to. His mobile is going to be switched off, and he forgot his password. Okay, and he
Okay.
called you suddenly. He said, "I'm traveling to abroad now. My mobile is going to be switched off, and I'll not be having internet connectivity now. So next 1 hour, I'll be available. I just want to get my password." He said to you. Can you do it
Okay.
now?
No, because verification code will
Yes,
come to the
yes.
person and
Verification
how
code
can
will
I?
goes to his mobile number,
Yeah.
right? So without verifications, we can't do it.
Right.
So any idea?
Not really.
Okay. So these kind of things will come under external security. And coming to internal security, as you said, within the department, we may have scenario within the department, within the organization, etc., etc. We can have. So coming to external security, this is not regular activity. Okay. So
Okay.
just now, as I said, I gave one scenario, right? So rarely we'll be getting this kind of scenarios. Okay. In real time scenario also, you'll not be getting this information. Maximum, we'll be working on internal security only.
Okay.
Okay, so now we can do how to set up IP information in Salesforce. Okay, uh, so just now, as I said, we'll be having internal security, right? For example, now you have joined in one organization. Okay, we have joined one organization, and you got credentials and password from your manager, and you got the laptop as well. Now somehow you haven't get you are unable to doing one task, and you want to get help of some other person out of from your organization. So if you want to get help from some other person, what you have to do?
We have to share our credentials.
Exactly. You have to share your credentials and password. Once you gave your credentials and password, that third person who is not working in your organization is unable to log in.
Right.
So what could be the reason? So there we'll be having internal security from
Security, yeah.
local IT team by using network access. Okay. So in network access, what they'll do is they'll decide to whom they'll decide IP addresses to where we need to log in exactly. So that means for this, let me explain in some other manner. So in organization, they'll be having some different IP addresses. Okay, I'm just giving one random IP address. Okay, and we have employees. Okay, so now if this particular person if particular person, if he want to get the support from some other person, he'll not that can't be work because licenses will be applicable only for these IP addresses. Got it? They may give security like this, so that time it's not possible to work on your monarch. Now we can
Right.
see how it will be works. So now going to go to setup and click on network access. So I'm just clicking on setup. Just click on here network access. Say now you're getting it. Click on it. See here. There are IP addresses. So click on new. Here we can they can give information like this. IP address, starting IP address, and ending IP address. Here description. That's it. It is showing valid, invalid internet access. So that means, see here, IP address will be like this, but here I gave in different format.
Right.
Got it? So in this format, you can give the IP address.
Okay.
Okay, so then only it works. So now I have another question. How can you find out your own IP address?
Computer setting, I guess.
Okay, settings.
I forgot actually.
Okay, so I'll give one small tip here. So here, just click on it.
Have to mention my IP address.
Yes, yes. See here.
Yeah.
Just copy and paste. If you give save here, from this IP address to this IP address only, my org will work. So this will be taken care of by, to whom it will be taken care of? By your company team, company tech team. So we can set the IP at range of users in company. We can set the individual IP also. If IP list is not in sequence, then enter individually. So here, in case if we have, if we not having individually like this, so one is that 36, another one is 46, another one is 48. If we have like this, then what we have to do is we have to give individually. So individual means starting IP address need to give same ID, and ending also we need to give same ID. Got it? So
Okay, so we have to create multiple then.
yes. So in case if third person is not able to log in with your credential, in the sense this will be the happen from your local tech team. Got it?
Yes.
So in this way, we have many security security information, internal security we can discuss, and external security we can discuss. So in next class, we'll discuss remaining things. Okay.
Yeah.
Any doubts
Yes.
as of now? So tomorrow you can show me about these objects.
Yeah. Yes.
Why I'm saying, once you create more objects going forward, we need to have, say, not only for security purpose, we need to discuss on profiles, roles, etc., permission
Mm-hmm.
sets, etc. So that time you need to have more objects and more fields in your arc. Then only you can able to doing practice.
Right. Yeah.
Got it? So I'll share
Yes.
this mail content and record also. So please start doing the practice it. Okay.
Okay.
Hope you are following everything. So any doubts as of now? Vinay ji, please make a note of it, whichever you are getting the doubts while you're doing practice it.
Yeah, sure, sure. I'll do that. Yeah.
And Saturday we'll have session.
Okay.
Okay. And
Yeah.
Saturday I'll not give any classes. You will have to share your screen, and I'll just guide you where you have done the mistakes and where you have to
Okay.
fulfill your mistakes and all. I'll just guide you. That's it.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Can we wind up for the day?
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Done. Thank you. Bye.